I had a chance to check out the city of Frisco, Texas while I was in the Dallas area to record some songs at Audio Dallas Recording Studio. Frisco is located about 30 miles north of Dallas, so it's a straight shot right up there that might take about 30 minutes on that North Tollway Road. It's got a population of 230,000 people right now, and that's a massive jump in population. They actually only had 6,000 people here back in 1990. So this used to be a countryside, it used to be a quiet area, but you now see headlines that say it's the fastest growing city in the United States. Frisco is actually projected to have more office and downtown space than Dallas coming up in the next few years. There are a lot of master plan neighborhoods around here where you find things like community pools and open space. There's a lot of shopping and dining all around the Frisco area, where Stonebriar Center or Stonebriar Mall is one of the popular areas for that. Tourism is a big part of the city, and it's getting even bigger, and sports is huge here. So they're actually home to 5 pro sports teams. They've got the Star District, which is the Dallas Cowboys headquarters and practice area, but it's also an entertainment district with lots of other restaurants and shopping and things. They've got the Dallas Stars hockey headquarters. The FC Dallas is a Major League Soccer team. They play there at Toyota Stadium that's located not far from here. They've got the Frisco Rough Riders, which is a AA baseball minor league team from the Rangers. They have the Texas Legends, which is a G League basketball team affiliated with the Dallas Mavericks. And they got the Frisco Fighters indoor football here as well. There's even headlines about Universal Studios coming to Frisco by 2026. They do have a historic downtown area, and that's the footage that I've been showing here. They call this area the Rail District, and it's right along Main Street, where they've got restaurants and shops and boutiques in vintage historic buildings. In terms of live music, there's quite a few spots along this Main Street area. The first up I found was Nack Theater, which has comedy and magic and live music and more. Then they've got the Frisco Rail Yard right around the corner from there. They have live music. There's a place called 811 Place. Then there's a place called Didi's Downtown. And La Finca Coffee and Bakery, they have live music there too. Not far from the historic downtown is the Frisco Square, which has a lot of development going on. They do have music on the square. And then some places that feature music, just a short walk around here, are the Derbyshire. Then there's a place called the Green Gator. And Rotate Bar and Kitchen has live music too. But we can turn to earlier in the day. The purpose of this trip out here to this area was to go to Audio Dallas Recording Studio to record some new songs. Take me down to the river town, won't you take me down to Cemetery Road? Take me down to the river town, won't you take me down to Cemetery Road? It's a place in town that you don't want to go. There's alligators out there swimming in the swamps and in the bowl of seafood gumbo. They got alligators out there swimming in the swamp. Well, I've been there once and I ain't going back. You know, every little town got a place like that. Every little town got a place like that. Every little town got a place like that. So there's a look at Frisco there and an inside look at the studio. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music scene around Texas. So go ahead and click on my YouTube channel and check out those thumbnails to see which topics interest you. Give those videos a view, and thank you for giving this video a view.